Let's draw a coconut. Let's start with the eyes. 2 ovals with a curved line for the eyebrows pointing down. Another oval for the other eye, the other eyebrow, and he's got kind of droopy eyes, so we'll go do another curved line for the eyelashes and another C shape for the eyes. Then we'll do the mouth. Coconuts are very furry, so we got zigzag lines for the smile. Then we'll do some of the body, more zigzag lines following a circle shape. He's got 3 tufts of hair on the top, curved, and then another zigzag line to connect the circle on both sides. Then we got the arms, 2 angled shapes, and he's got his hands tucked in his fur like pockets. Pockets are 2 rectangle kind of shaped brackets. And we'll do the other arm over here. And next we'll do a little bit of a chin with a zigzag line again. Got the legs. A little bit of fur on them. And the shoes. With some shoelaces. On both sides. And I'll do a little bit of a sole on the bottom. Now let's color. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.